Welcome to Hospitality Engineering. We are excited to launch our brand new course Hotel Robotics and Automation Mastery. This course is designed to take you inside the future of hotels where robots and humans work together to deliver smarter guest experiences. Get ready to see how innovation is transforming hospitality. Why hotels need robotics. Imagine hotels that never sleep. Robots make service faster, safer, and more efficient. From late-night requests to complex operations, automation ensures guest delight and sets new standards in hospitality. This is where the future begins. Meet the hotel robots. From concierge robots greeting guests to delivery bots carrying amenities, from housekeeping helpers to kitchen automation, you will meet the entire robotic team that is already shaping world-class hotels. Their presence makes service seamless and memorable. Secrets of robot movement. How do robots glide smoothly across busy lobbies or navigate narrow corridors? This course uncovers the secrets of robotic movement, speed control, and obstacle avoidance. You will see how machines adapt to human-filled environments. Path planning in action. Every robot follows a path, but how do they plan it? You will explore how robots map kitchens, banquet halls, and guest floors while avoiding collisions. Discover how smart route planning ensures quick and efficient service delivery. Strength and reliability. Robots are not just smart, they are strong and stable. From carrying trays and luggage to riding elevators and working on uneven floors, they handle it all. This module shows how reliability and long battery life make them trusted partners in hotels. Robots with senses. What makes robots aware of their surroundings? You will uncover how vision, sensors, and voice recognition allow them to interact safely with guests. These abilities make robots more than machines, they become responsive companions in service. Intelligence at work. Robots are no longer just programmed tools, they are intelligent decision makers. They learn guest preferences, reroute in real time, and coordinate with staff. This course will show how artificial intelligence creates a truly smart hotel. The rise of humanoid robots. Imagine checking in with a humanoid concierge or being entertained by robotic performers. Humanoids are entering hotels to take on guest-facing roles like never before. We will explore global trends and what this means for the future of hospitality. This is only the beginning. The full course is coming soon with real case studies, practical simulations, and exciting applications of robotics in hotels. Get ready to master the future of hospitality with us.